If Discord is not sending you a verification code, or the code is not arriving by phone or email, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve the Discord verification code problem step by step. This is one of the most common issues people run into when trying to log in, create an account, or complete a security check on Discord. And the good news is that it is usually fixable in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's fix phone and SMS verification codes. If you are waiting for a text message code from Discord and nothing is coming through, the very first thing you should do is turn off your VPN or proxy. Discord can sometimes block or delay verification codes when it detects unusual network activity, and a VPN can trigger that. So disconnect your VPN completely, and if you are using any proxy service, turn that off too. Once that is done, open Discord again, go back to the login or verification screen, and request the code one more time. Now, here's an important tip. Do not spam the send code button. A lot of people keep clicking it over and over, thinking it will help, but in many cases, it actually makes the problem worse. If the code does not arrive right away, click send code only once, and then wait. Give it at least 5 minutes before trying again. This waiting period matters because repeated requests can cause delays, rate limits, or temporary blocks on new codes. So be patient and let Discord process the request properly. If the code still hasn't arrived, make sure your phone number is entered correctly and that your device has good signal. Sometimes the issue isn't Discord at all. It can simply be a weak network connection, a delayed carrier message, or a wrong number format. But in most cases, turning off the VPN and avoiding repeated requests solves the problem. Next, let's move on to email verification codes. If Discord sent the code to your email instead of your phone, the first place you should check is your spam or junk folder. Open Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or whichever email service you use. Then go directly into spam or junk and look for any message from Discord. Sometimes the verification email is filtered there automatically, even though it is legitimate. If you use Gmail, also check the Promotions tab. Discord emails can sometimes land there instead of your main inbox, so open Gmail, tap the Promotions tab, and look for the verification message there as well. Many users miss this step and think the email was never sent, when in reality it was just sorted into a different folder. Another very effective step is to search your entire inbox. Open your email search bar and type support@discord.com. Then check all folders, including inbox, spam, promotions, updates, and archived mail. This helps you find the verification email even if it was moved somewhere unexpected. If you see the message, open it and copy or enter the verification code right away. If you still cannot find it, make sure you entered the correct email address on Discord and try requesting the code again after a short wait. Also, if your inbox is full or your email provider is experiencing delays, that can slow things down too. Clearing space or refreshing your mailbox can sometimes help the message arrive. So to quickly recap, for phone and SMS codes, turn off your VPN or proxy, request the code again, and avoid spamming the send button. For email codes, check spam, junk, promotions, and search for support@discord.com across all folders. These steps solve most Discord verification code problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and app tutorials. And if you're still having issues with Discord verification, leave a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.